We're going to talk about the elements of a circuit and what makes a circuit. And so first of all, what a circuit is, it's a system that allows for the flow of electricity. And so that system allows for electricity to flow to do something useful that we want it to do. There's three elements to a circuit that we'll talk about. The first element is the source of the power of the system. And so in this case, the source is a battery. It's a 9-volt battery. This could be a solar panel. It could be any other source of power. The next important part of the circuit you'll see is the conductors. And so what the conductors do is they form a path for the source to get to the load. And so the conductor provides a pathway for the electricity from the source to get to the load. And what the load does is it consumes that electrical energy and does something useful for us. And so in this case, the load is our light bulb here, and it's providing light. And so that is what the source is. In the next example we'll look at, you can see again we have a source, same source, a 9-volt battery. We have conductors, and so again the conductors are what transmit a path for the electricity to flow. And we also have a load. In this case, our load is an LED, but we also have a resistor. And so in the case of an LED is a very efficient way to create a light. And so it uses this power source very efficiently. And so sometimes in a system, if we have too much power coming out of the source, we have to have a way to restrict that power or to power it down. And so in that case, that's where a resistor comes in. And so this resistor is taking some of the source's power and distributing it to the resistor so that there is not so much source power on the LED. And so that's the point of the resistor within this circuit example.